not giving it, really safe. Whoa!
Just out there, there's a large tornado moving through the town of Charleston, Illinois right now. This is a PDS tornado warning. It's a particularly dangerous situation. New PDS tornado warning. All right, we've just got a brand new PDS tornado warning. They've extended this all the way out to just about over to Terre Haute. Okay, so PDS tornado warning.
We are in Terre Haute
for Clark, Coles, and Edgar counties. This is not going to Indiana yet, but everybody in Terre Haute needs to be watching this very closely.
Make a U-turn. Shut up.
I mean, you could go back behind the building. But I don't
this is
know
way better view right here. I'll turn it so you're flow. That way you can just take off. It's trying.
road is towpath.
Oh, great. I hope this goes somewhere.
It didn't say no outlet.
Okay. It's probably right over there. But this whole thing is huge. Taking the wrong freaking way.
Yeah, whatever we're looking at our north, you need to go that way. You have to.
Okay, we're driving right into it.
Well,
I know, there's nowhere else to go.
I mean, we definitely are going straight for it. But we have to.
I don't see.
That's not what I wanted.
That probably just took it back. Well, at least we're on a paved road now. What's it say?
It's that other one. It got extended, basically.
Yeah. Go down the
It's-
bottom and see if it says
It's radar
Catastrophe
indicated. Max hail size 1 inch. I'm sorry.
Right, here's the rotation. Like, this is where the tornado would be. Right here.
Well, we can at least back up so the camera can catch it. Can I get out and smoke?
No.
Ah,
You can smoke in the car right now.
no. There are trees everywhere.
Yep. There's nothing we can do. Please don't drop. Not right now.
At least get next to small trees.
I can't do a whole lot about this. We're back up. It says inflow. Okay, there goes a tree back there. This is inflow. on that. Hear another tree coming down.
What is it?
That's right. Yeah, roll your window down, start filming that. And I'm gonna turn the car a little bit. Oh, it's cold. We just got stupid lucky because of that road. Okay, drop it. Drop it. That's definitely a funnel right there.
If it drops, is it gonna come towards us?
No, it's going that way.